Guys, welcome to my channel. And first welcome to this website www.com. This is gigabyte.com. This is a officially website for you can download driver, any check, any workout related to gigabytes. Okay, so you can see here, click to search and type your model number of your graphic card. B760 Gaming X WiFi6E generations 5. After that, just single click to hit enter. Now you can see here it is searching, and then click to product, and then click to title of 7 B760. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. So guys, this is video we try to install Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You just select Windows 10 and 11 any, you can watch this video and then install the driver. Okay, Wi-Fi driver. So you can see here Wi-Fi, just click to download. So it is done, then open, then again open Wi-Fi exe. You can see, then click to yes. Then it is done, and close it.